Hi, we have discussed about several types of distress caused to a person due to the different kinds of mental or psychological issues, such as we have discussed about depression, stress, anxiety, worries, anger, fear, and all these emotions and thoughts causes pains to a person. And the ultimate or the intents of all these negative thinking is the thought of suicide. So it's a very dangerous thing because we know globally around the world per year it's about 8 lakh people suicides per year. So the cause of suicide is actually when the person is having intense suffering, maybe of any due to any financial debt or due to any other reasons. When the person is feeling so much of pressure and stress, when he gets suffered mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, then he decides to quit his life to end up this suffering. So that is the main reason of suicide. And also we have discussed previously that how these thoughts comes into that person is because of the energy inside him these thoughts comes. So if that person is have a purified energy, then in that situation also, in that situation of high pressure and stress also, external situation of pressure and stress also, the thoughts coming into him will be of positive, and in that condition the person won't think of any suicide because he is having the thought of hope inside him. So many times if in a person going through in such condition, if he is able to release his stress pressure by talking to someone, then he will be able to relax himself and uplift his spirit, because in that condition the person will not be having any inspiration inside him. He will not be having any inspiration him, he will not be having any thought that help him to survive. So in that condition that person thinks to quit his life and he decides to suicide. So it's the very worst condition of the intense negative thinking. So in such a situation, the thing like if the person is able to release his pressure and stress, release his negative energy by opening up his all worries and burdens, then he will be some sort he will be free. And after he will becoming free by opening up, then if someone having enough knowledge and awareness, if any person can guide him by inspiring him, by giving the positive thoughts and passing positive energy to that person, then that will bring a transformation of his thoughts, and it will give the thoughts of hope that somehow he will be able to manage the situation, he will be able to face that situation. So here also ultimately the thing is, if he is able to purify or transform his energy, then only this thing can be cured, the thought of suicide can be cured. If that person is able to transform his energy into a positive energy, then even if whatever the situation is, external situation is, the thought of hope will be inside that person. It will definitely inspire that person from inside, and he will never will think of quitting because of he's having inspiration from inside, and also he's having the thought of hope from inside. Thank you.